How to use logical operators. Logical operators are used in logical operations, as the name suggests, where the operands are either true or false. So the operands in a logical expression can be expressions which return true or false upon evaluation. There are three types of logical operators: the logical and, the logical or, and the logical not. For AND operation, the result is true only if both the operands are true. In the case of logical OR, even if either one of the expression is if either one of the operands is true, the output will be true. Logical NOT will return the opposite of whatever the operand is. So let's see the examples for this. First we'll try with just true and false. So first is AND, the true and false. It will give us false. As I said before, that both have to be true for the output to be true. If either one is false in AND expression, the output will be false. Next is OR. In this we have one true and one false, so the output is true, because OR just requires at least one true to make the output true. Next is NOT. So the NOT of true, which means opposite of true, is false. Output is false. Now let's try actual variables and actual values with the logical operators. So suppose I have a variable x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 8 and z is equal to 9. So I'll write a if condition over here. If x is less than y, which it is, x is less than y, you can see 5 is less than 8. I write an AND over here. Z is equal to 9. So Z is so in this case now we'll see if the x is less than y evaluates to whatever it evaluates to, and z equal to 9 whatever it evaluates to, if the AND operation of these two returns true or false. So if it returns true, it will go within the if block and it will print all satisfy. Okay. And if the AND output is false, so it has to go to an else block. So I'll write an else block over here. Let's run this code and we'll see what the output is. And the output is all satisfy because both have given true. Now if I do OR in place of this and I change the second expression to z not equal to 9. So in this case now the first expression x is less than y will evaluate to true and the second expression will evaluate to false. So true or false will give the output as true. So now let's just confirm that our conclusion is correct. We run this code and we get all satisfy. So it has print the first if part. Now I'll write not of x less than y, which means if x is greater than y, opposite of x less than y is if x is greater than or equal to y, which it is not. So we'll print the first part, all don't satisfy, and else we'll write x is less than y. So when we run this, we get yes, x is less than y. So in this case, the else part ran because the opposite of because x less than y will evaluate to true, and not of true is false, and so therefore the if condition will be evaluated to false, and if it is false it will go to the else statement. So this is how we have the else part, that this is how we got the else part running. This is how we use logical operators in Python.